patient of Aster Hospital, Kalavati. I'm very happy and pleased to come to this hospital because I got a very positive review when compared to other hospitals. I had been to so many hospitals, more than 10 hospitals to get my second baby. I was having a normal baby for first one. For second one, I was facing very difficulty in getting a baby because of lot of miscarriages. I had more than 3 miscarriages, and I had referred from Subramani near JP Nagar Hospital, and he has referred me to contact Sunil Ishwar doctor as a best gynecologist in all over India. So I was very pleased to visit him, and I am very happy to visit him, and the approach what he has suggested and how he has approached us, and the convincing matter, everything was very nice, and was very happy. Even though if he provided so many amount also, we were not getting this much facilities, so I am very happy. So first time when I contacted Sunil Ishwar, he has provided a positive approach, and he told that nothing will happen, everything will be fine. Only I was facing a small infections that none of the doctor was recognized till now. Why I was facing a lot of miscarriages. Even though I delivered a normal delivery, but for second baby, I faced lot of infections, and that too identified by the Sunil Ishwar. The Sunil Ishwar has identified, and later he has convinced me like what all tablets we have to take. I have taken almost 1 year tablets to get it to fix the infections, and later I got convinced as a normal one. And after conceiving it till 5 months pregnancy, I was not having any diabetic issues. Everything was fine, and he was guiding each and every month. And whenever we come for every month, they were giving a proper response, like a scanning, how is the baby, whether the baby growth is correct or not, what the further steps we have to take. Everything he was guiding. So I am very pleased, and he was not concentrating on the others also. He was individually taking concentration on a specific patient as a personal review, as a personal colleagues, and he was taking very nicely. I was very pleased to I am very thankful to Sunil Ishwar that I got a second baby. I had lost the hope that I will not get the second baby, and I feel that my daughter is the only one daughter, so that I will not get the second baby. I got hope that, and Sunil convinced me, and I 7th month I got gestational diabetic, and he has identified the gestational diabetic. And if we have a pregnant woman having a gestational diabetic, that will lead to a lot of complications. Either mother will face the issue, or a child will face the issue. That will also explain me, and he has referred me to endocrinologist, that is Manjunath Malge. And Manjunath Malge is a very good doctor, wherein I never seen such a doctor in my entire career. So he has suggested me how we have to go, and how we have to follow the diet, and what is the correct procedure to follow, how we can reduce the diabetes, so that the mother and baby should be safe in the womb. So he has reduced, and he has been given a lot of diet plans each and every day. 3 days he has come to he has advised us to come and visit our hospital, visit Aster Hospital. 3 days we have gone, and we have given lot of support to us how to reduce the diabetics, and he also advised us how we have to take care at home by using the food diabetes, how to control the food, everything he has given it. So my diabetic has come, initial stage it was for around 400. After meeting endocrinologist Manjunath Malge, it has reduced to 150, and at the stage of 9 months, it almost could come to the normal level. So I was not facing any diabetic. I got a normal baby. Now I got a cesarean section, so I don't have any issues. I am very happy with the baby. I am very thankful to Manjunath Malge doctor and Sunil Ishwar doctor and their co-teams. I am very thankful, and I am very happy about the Aster Hospital. I would like to refer a lot of my colleagues who doesn't have children. So I will refer them to contact Sunil Ishwar as a good gynecologist all over the world. This is my best review which I got it. Thank you.